Good day to you all, guys. In this video I will show you how to use the N2P. Shout out to all my friends in QC Project Bar in Samsung. In this video I will show you all how to use the N2P. You can partner this to any kind of strategy that you have. Either you are a breakout player, support and resistance, Fibonacci, RSI traders, you're using stochastic, or whatever kind of strategy that you are using, either moving averages, exponential moving averages, you can partner this strategy. But before I show you, as you can see, I have an open position. I will have to close it first. See, in my account history, I have $623 profit, which I just closed a while ago. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started.
Disclaimer: the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Stocks, forex, and other financial markets have large potential rewards. They also have a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in these markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy, sell. No account representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed in this video. You should be aware of all the risks associated with trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts.
At this time, I'm looking at the 1-minute chart, and as you can see, this level is already in the resistance. What I'm going to do, since it's in the resistance, I will make a sell position. Okay, if my bias is wrong, then I will have the chance to use the negative turns positive or negative to positive strategy. Most traders, even they're using risk management, even they have computation how to minimize their risk, but once they have profit, they are profiting, and when the price goes back to the original position, they tend to become agitated. What's happening? Because of that fear that the price will go back to their opening price, they close their position right away. Then suddenly the price make a U-turn, and they found that their bias is correct. So they did not maximize their position. They were not able to maximize their position. With the N2P strategy, it gives me confidence to wait for my target to reach, or even just half of the target to reach, because I know if just in case the trade goes against me, I can counteract that. I can do something to counteract that wrong bias. Now I make a sell position and the trade is going against me. I'm not afraid, because I know trade I can turn it back to profit. You're seeing that the resistance is holding. The price cannot penetrate. It's trying to make an attempt to break out, but it cannot make a breakout. Sellers are defending the resistance area. Now you're seeing the bear momentum candle. The price is now under the MA20. I don't think it will be able to penetrate this MA20. I'm not sure. No matter how good you are in technical analysis, there are chances that your bias will be wrong, and N2P will be the solution for that wrong trade. Now it's giving another red candle, and I'm making $3 profit. Just a $3 profit. Imagine just for a few minutes you will have $3 profit. I just made a small lot size because I don't want other people or other traders who will watch this video to follow whatever size I will make. If I make a big lot size, they might follow. If I make one lot size, they might follow, and they might lose their whole account. See, it's giving another red candle. For those newbie who are taking the supports and resistance for granted, for all the traders, professional traders, support and resistance strategy is a very vital strategy for them. All you have to do is exploit this strategy and know when you will react or when you will not react. Now, only 49 pips. It's not yet enough, but I will have to close it. I'm not agitated to close it. I do not fear that the price will hit back in this area. See the support? This area is acting as support. Now you know how important or how price react to support. You will see here. I will measure. It's only 60 pips, around 60 pips. It's only around 60 pips, so there's not enough profit for those people who sell. So definitely very few traders will sell. Only those will sell are agitated or newbies because they're afraid that the price will go back to the price area or will go back to their opening position. So the problem is psychology. They're not maximizing their profit. They go exit early, but when they lose, they can wait to lose big amount, but when they gain, they cannot wait to gain bigger. See, I can wait even the price goes back here. I think the price will go back here, but I think only, I'm not sure about that. But in case it goes back up to this area, then I can do something and reverse the effect of the negative profit. But hoping it will not, because it will take time. But in case it will not and hit my target location or target area, I want to apologize to you because I will not be able to show you the N2P. This is a live trading, by the way. This is a live trading. As you can see, this is a live trading. So I'm teaching you. I'm walking the walk. I'm talking that. I'm not only talking the talk. I'm walking the talk and walking the walk. I'm not agitated with this trade, but I think I want to close it so I can close because I want to end the video already. So I can make another video. Now it's bouncing off. Let's just wait if the MA20 will react or will act as a resistance for the price. Now the price, the MA20 is acting as a resistance to the price. MA20 and MA200 is very powerful tools for you to identify the trend, acting as a resistance or support. For those who don't want to use this MA20 and 200, I will make EMA videos on how you will use it to trade. But as you can see, the price goes above MA20, and because of the commission, I have already negative profit. Okay, price gives a big candle, 1 minute candle. Now it goes back to the price goes back to my opening price and even go beyond it, but it fell down again, meaning there's a great number of sellers in that area. Wait, I'll just remove that. It distracts me. Oh, what's that? No problem. I will remove all the horizontal line. Okay, I'll just leave one. Now come on, go down up to this area so I can close this trade and also the video as well, so I can make another video that will show the negative to positive strategy. Here is another support. See the MA20 200 confluence to this support. Here another support. Support na one. Actually there's so many. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's consider 1 2. Let's consider this one as only one and one. By the way, as I think you know already this one, once the price penetrate a resistance, it becomes a support. But once the price breaks down, it becomes a resistance. So don't confuse yourself about this basic principle of support and resistance. Without knowing this basic knowledge, it will be very hard for you to cope up with other strategy. This is the most basic and yet very powerful. simple and yet hard to follow, because most newbies, they want complex strategy because they think complex strategy will make them look genius, and they react, or they try to counteract the price. We cannot go against the trend. We just follow the trend because the trend is life. And as you always hear, the trend is your friend. It's not the dog. In trading, it's not the dog. But in trading, trend is your friend. Since my TP is already hit, I close this trade. PS guys, see, MA 200. The price bounce on to MA 200. By the way, this horizontal line, this is what we call means permanent. This is permanent. These moving averages are dynamic, means it depends where the price go. This MA follows, so it's moving also. I think it will go down. It will fall more further, or it will break down. See, it's acting as a support. You can see how powerful the support and resistance. Thanks guys.